Well, here's two firsts for me that happened in two separate rides back to back on the same day. This would be August 31st. It's September 1st right now of 2019. I was invited into a three-way and I was invited to a gay bar. Pretty cool, right? So I don't really have too much to say about this one, so I'll just talk about it a little bit because it's just too bizarre and so original. I couldn't help but post something about it. So, and I've got all these journaled, by the way, all of my more interesting rides at my website, tomberkenmeyer.com, just like it's spelled here on social media, tomberkenmeyer.com. So yesterday, the first of these two particular rides, I pick up somebody at the Stella Hotel and Boutique, a really nice place here in downtown Kenosha. They looked like a couple to me. It looked like probably an older guy and a younger lady, and the lady was bombshell gorgeous. So I'm kind of thinking escort service, maybe? I don't know. But they're in a really good mood. They're obviously buzzed, maybe drunk, just real giggly and cheery, totally cool. And then suddenly, I don't remember exactly how it came up, but it was pretty quick. There wasn't much segue to it. She was paying me these compliments, saying really nice, flattering things about my physical appearance, my physicality. And then he jumps in and says, "Oh, that's my," did he say wife? "Oh, that's my lady. She's just a wild one, and yeah, we're into threesomes and stuff like that." So that was my cue where it was, am I supposed to say, "Okay, I'm in"? But, and he said something else. He kept saying it over and over again, like I was supposed to say, "Really? Well, let me know how I can squeeze in that sandwich." I don't know. But I didn't. But she was gorgeous. She was also very, I don't know what the right word is, but that attraction was not there. The energy wasn't, though she was physically amazing looking. Also, the fact I'm not bisexual and a three-way with another dude, no. But so anyway, that was a unique experience, and I didn't say yes or no to them, but I think they would get the picture because I didn't answer one way or the other that I wasn't interested. So that was the threesome offering. Now the next ride, these were really great people. 4 people I picked up. There were 2 couples, a guy and a girl, Really great conversation. This is probably about a 10 or 11 minute ride. They were going to the gay bar, Club Icon, here in Kenosha, Wisconsin. And so they were obviously not gay, but they were just going because a lot of people go to gay bars, from what I understand. And so they had invited me pretty quickly to go, take a break and hang out with them at the bar. They'd buy me a drink. At first I said, I'm thinking about it. I'm tempted. I might. And then at the end of the ride, it's like, yeah, you guys are pretty cool. I'll just take a break and go in there for a little bit, hang out, see what it's like in there. And it looked like most of the people there were straight. So, and there were also some of the most beautiful girls I'd ever seen before in my life were there. Or were they girls? No, they were girls. And then, of course, there were a lot of dudes dressed in drag and really creative and did it really well. And on the last night, Saturday night, there was a drag show. So I got to see a drag show. I saw about 5 different performers. They were all really good. So I really admired that. And that was a lot of fun. The energy there was great. It was a fun place. For a straight person like me, a gay bar is a lot of fun. And apparently a lot of other straight people feel that way. Straight girls and straight guys, especially a lot of straight girls, but also a lot of straight guys too, which was really cool. I also loved seeing how acceptable that was, because not that long ago that wouldn't have been acceptable for a lot of straight people. So socially we've come a long way. That was great to see. But yeah, that was so much fun, and the energy there was great. I would totally go back again. And some of the most beautiful girls I'd ever seen before in my life were there just enjoying the drag show. It was cool. It was a cool experience. So that's 2 rides I wanted to go over in one video. Really not much else to say beyond that. Feel free to drop your comments. Maybe you could comment, would you have taken advantage of the threesome offer? Oh my God, I can just see a driver for Uber or Lyft writing Penthouse magazine going, I was giving somebody a ride and this is what happened to me. One thing leads to another. I could see porn videos going this way, Uber porn or Lyft porn. It's got to happen somewhere at some point. They do like 1 million rides a day. I'm sure that kind of stuff. And even cooler, I bet there's been some real legitimate love connections, maybe in beautiful marriages and Kids spawned all because the right driver and passenger were matched, synced up at some point. I could see that happening. Some really good romance stories happening from that, as well as just pure debauchery. So that's really interesting. And also comment below, would you have taken advantage of the gay bar offering? That was a fun one. And if so, would it be conditional? And also the threesome, would that be conditional for you in some way, shape, or form? No judgment. That's all I got for you. And every dollar that I make, I cap this at the end of every video because it's important, but every dollar that I make from ride sharing with Uber and Lyft goes into my affordable housing project, my rental property business. So I'm in a position where I can literally save and invest 100% of all my income that I work for. And there's maybe less than 2% of the population that can do that. It took some time, 2.5 years, to build up to being able to do that, because once upon a time I had to spend 100% of everything that I made because, you know, normal life, bills and stuff. So that was a good transition I made, totally worthwhile. And you can ask me about that too if you'd like. Bye for now, everybody. Mwah.